Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've shot a video. South Bay Cat. So as you guys know, I have a 2019 Dodge Charger Hellcat, and I just bought a 305 Nitto drag radial 10.5 replicas that I just installed by American Tire. So that being said, obviously I want to be able to take those lugs off quick, slap on the new drag setup. So I needed a good impact wrench that would have good breakaway torque. So I've been doing a lot of research and coming to find out that DeWalt makes a really nice 700 foot-pound impact and 1200 foot-pound breakaway torque half-inch wrench tool. So I'll give you guys a little review of what I got. Let's see here what we got here. So here is the lithium ion 12 volt 20 volt charger. Came with a nice little bag. And here is the bad behemoth right here. So you got 3 speeds, 1, 2, and 3. The LED light, 12 volt lithium ion, fast charging, brushless, DeWalt XR. Got it on Father's Day, so I got 20% off. So I think these things normally go for about, I want to say, they go about a little over 300 plus tax. I got this for $272 with tax, so it's about $249 without tax, California tax. So I feel like I got a really good deal on it. It's really beefy. I haven't tried it yet, so I'll be doing more videos on taking off the wheels to see. But yeah, so just want to give you guys a quick little show on that and see it. So I'm pretty stoked to be using that to take off my wheels and tires. All right, until the next video, South Bay Cat out.